I wanted to touch a bit on Clawbot. Now, there are more alternatives, and everyone is going full inside Clawbot and trying to implement it, and many people have lost their jobs. Many businesses have also suffered because they were over relying on Clawbot. I just wanted to cover it a bit. You may have used N8N, but this is next level. This is full hands-off automation. But there are some risks and some good points, some common mistakes that marketers make or entrepreneurs make. I will try to cover from the business angle first and then from the job and career prospects. For the business, whether you are a solopreneur or you are a business with who have multiple people working for you, this is going to help you. First, let's talk about the risks and common mistakes. One common thing is that there are insufficient sequences because it needs a follow-up. And a machine, always remember, a machine can make mistake. You always need someone to monitor and fix and identify where the problem is. Humans are not always out of the business or out of utility, or many people, many businesses are over relying on it. And if you see, there are some big companies who have made terrible mistakes by relying on AI or on Clawbot too much. One size doesn't fit all, and that's true for this also. One mistake that people make is zero data cleaning, whether it is configuring it, whether it is running it, whether it is about the output that it is generating. And of course, if you are not paying attention to the rules and regulations and policies of different platforms or even some businesses, for example, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, XYZ, you can get banned, you can be removed, or your account will be blocked or shadow banned. This is from the social perspective. If you have clients and something goes wrong, of course, your contract is gonna be or could be in shambles, right? Another thing is to address is that what people are doing with it. This is just tip of the iceberg. People are doing countless things, countless number of things with this. But marketeer and marketing businesses, they are doing every B2B and B2C and B2B2C, basically all marketing and sales activities, such as lead extraction, prospecting, creating content and automating it, scheduling it, even replying, engaging, replying to inbox, market intelligence, business intelligence, full sales pipeline, full sales funnel. People are doing all of this. So as a business, yes, you need to have it, but also you do not need to over rely or provide minimum input and just think about getting maximum or just quality output. Okay, few things that one can suffer is also the reputation and the quality, because while humans were spending more time, they were responsible. But who will be responsible if machine does something wrong? So this is something, these lines you have to think along also. And the quality also matters. Reputation, if something goes wrong, even your other clients will get affected because the news may go out that something happened, okay, and it will not be good for the business or brand or sales, right? Now, most businesses are doing this. So instead of layoffs, what you can do, you can present a new plan that, hey, since what you used to do, which used to take one day, is being done in 10 minutes, or what 10 resources were doing is now being done by one person. So you have to step up and start doing better, right? And then from that talent pool, of course, some people will, outshine and, outperform everyone, and they'll say, hey, I am worth it. So before you lay off, at least, give the second plan. Hey, we gotta work better. We gotta work smarter. We gotta deliver more or more quality output. Okay. So this is what I'm going to say. Now, if you're a solopreneur, I would say now you can create more in less. Okay? You can create more things in less time and by spending less money. But it also comes with repercussions and its own challenges. Just because you can create 100 or 1,000 social media posts, videos, or reach 10,000 clients or prospects, does not mean that you have to compromise on the quality or reputation. Okay, so you have to go with the volume that you can control. Just because Clawbot or these AIs, they can create a lot of output, it does not mean that you always have to generate that output. As a solopreneur, you are responsible for every department, whether it is product development or service delivery or marketing, sales, accounting, XYZ. Okay, so less volume but quality volume. More input, less output but quality output that can ensure your ROI. Now, if you are in the job line or career and you want to know the prospects, it's a no-brainer. It goes without saying that whether you are directly related with the technologies or you are not related to technologies, it is necessary for you to learn this to some extent. If you are in technology, you got to learn this as best as you can. If you are not into technology but doing something else, and you do use desktop or software or apps, then you got to know this. You got to have a necessary understanding. At least you should know the essentials, because it's going to help you in long run. So when, unfortunately, if layoffs are being done, at least you would have something to show that you are up to date with the AIs, whether it is Clawbot or any LLM or anything else. So this is just, I wanted to quickly clear a few things and give you highlights into the emergence of Clawbot and at automation, hands-off automation, the opportunities for businesses and how they can navigate, and how solopreneurs can navigate, and what you can do as person who is interested in career development. So I hope you like this video. This is just a surface level understanding and awareness, so you can get some pointers that where to begin, where to improve, okay, and where to offset the challenges that are yet to come, whether in your region or in your company or in your industry or in your profession. So ask me questions and I would be creating more videos on this, and best of luck. Thank you.